Top 3 mistakes that cause knee pain and how to fix them. What if I told you that the simple daily walk you take for your health could be hurting you? It may sound unbelievable, but before we talk about what is causing your pain, you must first understand the true miracle of your knees. Your knees are not just simple hinges, they are an engineering marvel, a perfect combination of a hinge and a pivot that allows you to walk, run, squat, stand up, and navigate the world with ease. They are the tireless workers that support up to 3 times your body weight, with every step bearing a load that can total millions of pounds. Over the course of a single day, your knees give you the freedom to move, to explore, and to live a life without limitation. They are the foundation of your mobility. And when that foundation begins to crack, your entire quality of life is at risk. And this is where the simple act of walking can become a silent killer. While the knee is built to handle an incredible amount of stress, it is not built to do so indefinitely without proper care. Every step you take on a hard surface sends a damaging shockwave through your joints, and over decades, this adds up to catastrophic wear and tear. This is why you can wake up one day and find that a simple walk has become painful and difficult, even though you did not suffer a single injury. The truth is that while walking is a great form of exercise, doing it incorrectly is a direct path to chronic pain. Today, we will reveal the 3 worst mistakes you are making and show you how to fix them, so you can keep walking pain-free for years to come. 1. The problem: walking on hard surfaces and the solution. The first major mistake is walking on hard, unforgiving surfaces like asphalt and concrete. Think of your knees as the shock absorbers of your body. When you were younger, they had a natural built-in cushion that could handle the impact from every step. But as you age, that natural cushioning in your joints wears down. Every single step you take on a hard surface sends a powerful shockwave directly into your already weakened joints, causing inflammation and pain. It's a key reason your daily walk might be causing more harm than good. In fact, many doctors now believe that for people over 60, walking on a hard surface can be as damaging as repeatedly hitting a delicate glass with a hammer. It's a direct path to accelerated cartilage damage and chronic discomfort. So, what's the solution? How can you prevent this silent destruction and protect your knees with every step? The first miracle solution is to change where you walk. You may think walking is always beneficial, but the surface you're on can make a world of difference for your joints. Instead of hard surfaces like concrete and asphalt, which offer no shock absorption, you must seek out a softer ground that is much kinder to your knees. This includes walking on a grass field where the soft, yielding soil helps to disperse the impact of each step. Consider a dirt trail, which not only provides a forgiving surface, but also introduces small natural variations that engage and strengthen your knee-stabilizing muscles. Another excellent option is a park's rubber running track, which is specifically designed with a cushioned material to reduce the jarring impact of every stride. For the ultimate low-impact exercise, you should consider walking in water, such as a swimming pool or even a hot tub. The science behind this is incredible. The buoyancy of the water takes almost all the stress off your knees, reducing your body's effective weight by as much as 90%. This allows you to strengthen your leg muscles and improve mobility without any of the painful impact. The hydrostatic pressure of the water also helps to improve circulation and reduce swelling in your joints. You can even walk backward in the water to engage different muscles, further enhancing your knee support system. This is a game-changing solution that allows you to reclaim the joy of movement without fear of pain. 2. The problem: wearing the wrong shoes and the solution. The second major mistake is not wearing the right shoes. Think of your shoes as the first and most critical line of defense for your joints. A shoe that is worn out, lacks proper Cushioning or fails to support your foot's natural arch can cause your entire body to become misaligned. This puts an unnatural and constant strain on your knees, ankles, and hips, leading to increased stress with every single step, making you susceptible to chronic pain and even a diagnosis of arthritis. Choosing the right footwear isn't about style or price. It's about protecting your joints and ensuring your body moves as it should. So, what's the solution? How can you find the perfect shoe? To protect your knees and move without pain? The second solution is to find the right shoes for your knees. It's not about brand or price, it's about function. A truly good walking shoe must have proper cushioning in both the heel and the ball of your foot. The heel cushioning acts as the primary shock absorber, soaking up the initial impact from each step, while the cushioning in the forefoot protects your joints as you push off the ground. The ideal shoe also has strong arch support that matches the natural curve of your foot. This ensures your body weight is properly distributed, preventing your foot from rolling inward or outward, which can cause severe strain on your knees. When you're looking for the best shoe, think function over form. A good walking shoe should have a firm heel counter to keep your ankles stable, and it should be flexible at the ball of the foot, but firm enough in the middle to prevent excessive twisting. By choosing a shoe with these essential features, you are investing in a daily tool that will dramatically reduce pain and protect your long-term mobility. 3. The problem: neglecting daily maintenance and the solution. The third mistake is neglecting the simple daily maintenance your knees desperately need. Think of your knees not just as simple joints, but as a high-performance, complex machine that requires regular care to function properly. Many people assume they can get by on walking alone, but the truth is, a high-performance machine needs more than just a little use. It needs active maintenance. Most of us are making a critical mistake by not doing the simple stretches and exercises that keep the joints flexible and stable. At the same time, we're making it worse by failing to provide our knees with the essential nutrients they need to stay strong. It's this one-two punch, this combination of both physical and nutritional neglect, that allows a minor discomfort to turn into a major, life-altering pain that leaves you struggling to simply stand up. So, what's the solution? How do you provide your knees with the essential maintenance they need to stay strong and healthy? The third and most comprehensive solution is to establish a simple, daily routine that combines both exercise and nutrition. Your knees, just like a high-performance machine, need both movement and proper fuel to stay healthy. This isn't about running a marathon, it's about making small, consistent commitments that will pay off for years to come. First, you must commit to a few minutes of gentle stretches and exercises that will make your knees more resilient. These simple movements are designed to strengthen the muscles that stabilize the knee joint. You should start with gentle quadriceps strengthening by slowly extending one leg straight out while sitting in a chair, holding it for 5 seconds before slowly lowering it back down. This strengthens the muscles on the front of your thigh, which are essential for supporting the knee. Next, you should perform hamstring stretches by sitting on the floor, with one leg extended and gently leaning forward to stretch the back of your thigh. This improves flexibility and reduces the strain on your knee. Finally, practice simple calf raises by slowly lifting your heels while holding onto a wall for balance. This strengthens your calf muscles, which also play a vital role in stabilizing your knee. These simple daily exercises are a form of proactive maintenance that can prevent a minor ache from turning into a major life-altering pain. Second, you must begin to provide your knees with the essential miracle foods they need to stay strong. What you eat is the fuel and the building material your body uses to repair itself, and your knees need specific nutrients to function at their best. Omega-3s. First, you must consume foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, mackerel, and tuna. These are powerful anti-inflammatory agents that can significantly reduce swelling and pain in your joints. Calcium and vitamin D. Next, you need to build strong bones. Foods rich in calcium and vitamin D are essential for this. Think of calcium as the building block for your bones, and vitamin D as the key that unlocks its absorption. You can get these crucial nutrients from sources like milk, cheese, yogurt, and leafy greens like kale and spinach. Collagen. Finally, you need to protect and restore your cartilage. This is where collagen comes in. Collagen is the most important component of your cartilage. You can consume it from sources like bone broth, chicken feet, and pork rinds, which are rich in natural collagen. By combining these simple physical actions with the right nutrients, you can begin to repair and protect your knees from the inside out. This daily routine is the proactive maintenance your knees have been crying out for. An inspiring story, a life reclaimed. Today's lesson is not just about theory, it's about a real life-changing journey. I want to share the story of a wonderful woman named Helen, a grandmother in her 70s who loved to walk. For years, she walked every day on the hard concrete of her neighborhood, believing it was the best thing she could do for her health. But soon, every step became a painful chore. Her knees ached so badly that she eventually had to stop walking altogether, and she began to lose her freedom and her joy. When Helen and I spoke, I recommended a few important changes. She started adding foods rich in collagen and omega-3s to support her joint health. At the same time, she committed to a short, daily routine of gentle knee stretches to improve her flexibility and circulation. She also invested in a pair of well-cushioned shoes that gave her feet and knees the support they truly needed. With these small but powerful adjustments, Helen found the courage to walk again. She no longer forced herself onto the unforgiving concrete of her neighborhood. Instead, she chose the soft, welcoming path of her local park, where each gentle step gave her hope that healing was truly possible. At first, she only managed a few minutes at a time, but week by week, she slowly increased her distance. Something remarkable happened. The pain that once made every step miserable began to ease. Her joints felt stronger, her movements became smoother, and her confidence returned. Today, Helen is back on the trails, walking freely and without pain. The aches that once forced her to give up the activity she loved are now completely gone. Her story is proof that lasting change doesn't happen overnight, but with the right habits practiced consistently, you can not only reduce pain but reclaim your mobility, your independence, and your joy. Conclusion. You now know the shocking truth about what is causing your pain, and you have the secret to a life free of it. The truth is, simply walking is not enough. The secret is to learn how to walk healthily and without injury. The miracle of your knees gave you a lifetime of mobility, and now you have the power to protect that vital foundation and reclaim your freedom by correctly using the 3 keys we have given you today. The most important step is to take what you have learned and to put it into action immediately. Your knees will thank you. Do not let another day of pain go by. Now you can get back to doing the things you love and living life to its fullest. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more life-changing health advice.